I'm going to drink it all, even though I know I'm not going to like it because I don't like slime. I don't really do slime. I'm a texture girl. I'm such a texture girl, but I'm going to do it. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Tonight, I am starting a little challenge that I have for myself, but really it's for you guys. I am experimenting with okra water. Yep, and I have it right here. It's my first. You're going to get the first raw impression. But first of all, let me just tell you why. So I heard a lot of benefits of okra water. There are tons, but the main benefit that I'm looking for is for vaginal dryness. So I am going to try it and see if it works or if I notice any difference. And I must love y'all because I don't eat okra. I don't like okra. I don't. But there are so many benefits. I don't know what they are right now, but that's the one that I'm looking for, right? So let me try it. Tell you what it tastes like on first glance. What I did was I took some okra and I soaked it in water for a couple of hours, maybe like 3 hours, because I was like anxious to try it tonight, and it slimed right on up. It slimed right on up. So you don't have to do it overnight, but I'm assuming that the nutrients and the vitamins and all of that, if you soak it for longer, you'll get that. So tomorrow I'll get some more cups from the batch that I made. And since I'm upstairs in my room right now, I'll show you guys on another time the actual batch that I made and the ingredients and everything that I put in it, which was water and okra. But anyway, I'm going to taste it now, and I'm going to drink it all, even though I know I'm not going to like it because I don't like slime. I don't really do slime. I'm a texture girl. I'm such a texture girl, but I'm going to do it. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, so that's done. That's done. Okay, first impressions. Maybe it's not slimy enough because I didn't notice the slime, or because I'm using a straw. I don't know. But it did taste like I was drinking water infused with grass. Well, how do I know? Well, I've tasted grass. But anyway, it wasn't horrible. Hopefully tomorrow it won't be horrible either. So this is day 1 of my okra water. And hopefully I'll get some benefits from it. Oh, and I'm also eating pineapples every day. So hopefully I'll find out if that's a benefit too, because I'm sure going to ask. I'm going to see. This is an experiment. We're going to find out if all this stuff is for real, because I want to know. Anyway, more than anything, I want to see the benefits of the okra water and see how I like it. Again, I'm not going to substitute the okra water for water, like my water. No, it's just part of this experiment. I'm going to do it for 3 days. I'm only going to do it for 72 hours because I'm going out of town or whatever. So I'm only going to do it for 72 hours. I'm hoping my skin will get the benefit. I'm hoping that I'll get the benefit. Hopefully I won't break out or anything, because when I touch okra sometimes, that fuzz or whatever that's on it, that is no bueno for me. It makes me itch. So that's why I particularly have used the frozen okra, because the fresh okra, like, I wasn't trying to clean it and do all that, because I guess I could put gloves on or something. But anyway, this is why I use the frozen one. So anyway, guys, I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to take you on this journey, and I think I'm going to just take some clips throughout the day of me drinking, you know, a couple servings of it. And then at the end of the night, I'll do my little review for you guys, and then we'll see if there's any benefit. I don't know if I'm supposed to see a benefit after 72 hours, but I'm just going to try it for 72 hours, and I'm going to see if I can see any benefit after that. Okay? All right, y'all. This is going to be really interesting. Really interesting, because I haven't done a challenge like this in a while. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Have a good night.